Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is another Madame Glam video. If you haven't seen my first video, I will leave it linked above here. This was the first collaboration that I did with Madame Glam. They sent me a range of polishes, base coat, top coat, and the little UV light which you can travel with, which is really good. It sort of folds up to nothing. I'll leave all the details listed below for all the items, and I'm going to go through with this new pack that they've sent me. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would really help my channel. So obviously I got contacted by Madame Glam and they offered to send me some more nail polishes. Now these are just the colours this time because I already own the lamp and the base and top coat. So these are the items that came. So they always come in this sort of beautiful package. And yeah, it has all their sort of branding on the front there. And they're always like padded cases as well to make sure that nothing gets damaged. So this is sort of a new sort of selection of colours that they sent me. And just before we get into looking at these, all their stuff is sort of vegan. It is palm oil free. It's really sort of friendly. It's really durable as well. Last time I did wear this, it lasted really well. It lasted 2 weeks on my nails and I did them myself. So I'm not the best at doing them because I'm not very good at my left hand. But yeah, they lasted 2 weeks. So I really recommend the actual polishes themselves. So just going through everything that we got this time. So we've got this lovely purple colour, which is the shade Lilac You A Lot, which is this beautiful sort of lilac shade, like that. That's the first one. Then the second one is this sort of coral colour. This again, nice coral colour there. This one is called No Buns, No Glory. So I really like that one. Very summery. Now we've got this green one. This is going to look really good at Halloween. It's actually sort of this sort of bright green, sort of neon-y sort of colour. This one is called Jenna. I'm not sure why it's called that, but yeah, that would be really good on, like I said, on Halloween. And then we've got this beautiful sort of nude colour as well, which I thought was really nice, and this one is called Birthday Cake. So yeah, I'm going to be trying one of them today, just to show you what they're like. So without further ado, I'm going to go with, what are we going to go with today? I think because it's summer, I'm going to go with the coral colour, which it looks like that. And without further ado, we're going to get out the equipment and we're going to paint these on and paint my nails. So I'll see you all shortly.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder.
Right guys, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and I'll leave it on the screen. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
I dare you to be wilder. I don't feel can do better.